For my office, I checked the Genie for everything. I paid $19.95 for 20 sheets of Kodak photo paper. I found 100 sheets for $8, so I saved $92 on that item.
Went to Best Buy to shop for a TV set. Best Buy gave her their best price, which was $2,450. She came home. I gave her a Genie. She downloaded it, went online, bought the same exact identical TV set for $1,650. Plus, she didn't have to pay sales tax and had free shipping.
After a camera was stolen, went to the store to replace it, found one for $400, came home, looked for it on the Genie, and found it for $225, had a savings of $175.
I bought my grandson a London Fog coat. It was valued at $70. I paid $24 and I saved $46.
I was doing research for a high-definition splitter, found exactly what I was looking for $410 online, actually put the exact model number back in the search bar, pulled up the Genie, found that same exact model number for $93.47, saved over $300 on my first purchase.
I've got a German-made car, and I had a guy doing it on the side that works for the dealer. I can still get parts at cost. It needed a mass airflow sensor. This particular car, it was $380. I thought, you've got to be kidding me. So I went home and checked on the Genie, or my wife did. She found it for $99. I had it shipped in 2 days for $10. So for $110, I had the same part that was going to cost me $380. That's hard to believe.
My daughter wanted to go to a concert, and the tickets were $100 a piece, and I wasn't really sure if I was going to let her go for $100 a piece because I didn't want to spend $100. So she asked me to go on the Genie. We had the same row, which were awesome seats. They were real close to the front, and I got the tickets for $67. My daughter was excited to go to the concert, but even more so, I was excited that I saved $66 on concert tickets. The Genie's awesome.
I was looking for a 42-inch flat-screen HD TV, and when I went to Circuit City and found one for $949, got back home, decided to plug it into the Genie. Amazingly, found it for $699. It's a 26% savings, which is $250 we saved. The Genie is awesome.
My son was traveling over the holidays, and he needed a snow ski travel bag. He was at Cabela's. He said, Mom, I found one I like. He gave me the model number. So I was at home. I plugged it in. I found the exact same snow ski travel bag. It was $120, and I found it on the Genie for $29, and that included shipping. I love the Genie.
So this guy calls me and says, you need to download this shopping Genie. I said, okay. So I called my wife, and I said, honey, come here and look at this. She said, see what you could get a Wii for. We had paid $320 at the local Walmart. So we Google the Wii, and we bring up the Genie, hit compare, and we could have gotten it for $219 free shipping. Unbelievable.
I'm constantly vacuuming, and I go through at least one bag every 2 weeks, and these bags sell at a local store for $12.99 for 3 bags, which was $4.33 a bag. So I decided to look online on the Genie for the same bags, and I found 9 bags for $14.99, which was $1.66 a bag. This was about 70% savings. I was really excited even about vacuum cleaner bags.
I was looking for a driver for golf, locally at a store called Golf Discount. I found it for $300, and I decided to check the Genie. The Callaway Fusion ERC driver I found for $54 with $8 in shipping. I saved over $240.
My favorite perfume cost $200 a bottle. I had searched the net over and over and over again to try and find a better price. So I put it in the Genie. I found it for $105. Could not believe it. I love that Genie.
I'm in the contracting business. I needed a restaurant door, one of those lightweight aluminum doors with the window in it. They go anywhere from $600 to $700. I found it with the Genie for $125.